Many people still believe that getting a dental implant is a painful and time-consuming procedure. I'm Dr. Alessandro Barbosa, a specialist in dental implants with over 20 years of experience. And in this video, I'm going to show you what really happens and why. With modern techniques, the discomfort is minimal. And at the end, I'll tell you the secret to a post-operative experience that's painless and much more comfortable. The first thing I need to tell you is that this fear is absolutely normal. It comes from past experiences, from stories people have heard, or even from situations that have happened and left behind trauma. Most of the time, these are procedures done many years ago when dentistry was very different from what it is today. However, modern dentistry has evolved a lot. More precise anesthetics, modern equipment, and techniques have brought much more comfort to patients. Dentistry has evolved to the point of making dental implants an extremely predictable, fast, and comfortable procedure. I often say that the most uncomfortable part is the initial little prick from the anesthetic, which is similar to the anesthesia used in other dental procedures. After that, the patient shouldn't feel any more pain during the placement of the implants. For patients who are very anxious, there's also the option of performing the procedure using sedation. This is an option I recommend for anyone with trauma or anxiety. In the vast majority of cases, it isn't necessary. The implant procedure is much less invasive than most people imagine. With the technology we have today, in most cases, we can perform a guided surgery, which increases predictability, reduces the procedure time, minimizes surgical trauma, and avoids cutting, detaching tissue, and even eliminates the need for stitches. Consequently, this method of placing implants results in a much better and more comfortable post-operative experience. By using 3D technology and surgical guides, we can do everything with millimeter precision, avoiding unnecessary cuts, speeding up the healing process, and significantly reducing the surgery time. This way, placing a single implant can be done in less than 5 minutes. In other words, the pain that so many people are afraid of in practice just doesn't happen. Now, what does the patient feel after the surgery? Usually just a slight discomfort that is very well controlled with the use of pain relievers. For the vast majority of people, placing an implant doesn't cause any swelling. I would even say that the recovery from an implant placement is generally better than the recovery from a simple tooth extraction. The vast majority of my patients after having the surgery say they thought it would be much worse. This happens because when the procedure is done well, the surgical trauma is minimal. The body responds in a gentle and natural way. The secret lies in 3 factors: planning, technique, and care. Good radiographic planning with a 3D CT scan shows the bone in detail and prevents any surprises. The surgical technique, when it's delicate and precise, reduces bleeding and inflammation. And post-operative care, with cold compresses, good hygiene, and a proper diet, completes the cycle for a smooth recovery. It's a set of details that, when well applied, make the patient leave the office saying, "Doctor, that was much easier than I imagined." So to answer the question, do dental implants hurt? No. When it's well indicated, planned, and executed with technique, the implant is a procedure with no pain during and with minimal discomfort afterward. And now, as I promised at the beginning of the video, the secret to a painless post-operative experience is simple. Follow all of your dentist's instructions to the letter. This includes taking your medications on time, avoiding physical exertion for the first few days, and applying cold compresses for the first 24 hours. Small details make all the difference in your comfort and healing. And remember, feeling afraid is natural, but with information and a trusted professional, fear gives way to peace of mind. If this video helped you, leave a like and share it with someone who's afraid of getting an implant. It could be the first step in helping to change that person's life. And if you want to keep learning more about implantology and oral health, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any new content. I'm Dr. Alessandro Barbosa, and my mission is to demystify dentistry and help you make decisions with confidence and information. See you in the next video.